All right, Rob Frazier here, day 2. How to use the broke man's traffic plan, broke person's traffic plan to promote your primary business. So, in the previous video, this is probably 7 video series, but basically I talked about 3R Cash, AdClick Express, Seed Global Network. Basically how I just kind of coupled those programs into basically one main system that I used to build my email list. And so as you're going to go through the rest of these videos, you're going to see basically my progression and how I just kind of add in extra things. Not extra things, but how I build up my traffic. So first, let me get my camera straight here. Alright, so got all my pages straight. So basically, in the previous video, I talked about how we start here. Start with 3R Cash, AdClick Express, Seed Global Network, as we basically promote the 3R Cash on AdClick Express using the Prime advertising, and on Seed Global Network, we're all promoting that main capture page over and over and over again, and that's the only thing we're focused on doing. And I'm going to have other content to basically break down AdClick Express, break down Seed Global Network, break down different programs in 3R Cash. But this is just an overall video because there's so much to basically unpack. But the only thing we're doing today is adding my broke person's traffic plan. So I'm going to just put BPTP. Broke person's traffic plan. Reason I named that, I should probably change the name eventually. But basically, this is where I started to get traffic at the beginning. Like when I had $0, zero YouTube, just starting, this is where I would start. And it's a leads leap system. And you can get this whole thing coded to you as well. But basically, broke person's traffic plan, they click here, they consist of Leads Leap, because Leads Leap is a traffic source in and of itself, Cash Juice, Infinity Traffic Boost, and AdClick Express. However, if you have followed this plan so far, you should already be a member of Leads Leap, and you should already be a member of AdClick Express. So when you add on the broke person's traffic plan, you're only really adding 2 more, I would say 2 more programs, but 2 more pieces. And those pieces are Infinity Traffic Boost and following the Cash Juice plan. Each of these programs I have YouTube playlists for, and I go into more details, but the overall scope is this is basically a traffic exchange strategy. I also have a traffic exchange YouTube playlist. So it may seem like a lot, but it's not a lot of content. It is very simple, very straightforward, and the whole point. Alright, I might have to edit that out, but basically my phone went off and I was on another Zoom call. But basically, the broke person's traffic plan, Leads Leap, you should already be a member of. AdClick Express, you should already be a member of. Then Cash Juice and Infinity Traffic Boost. Infinity Traffic Boost is a traffic exchange, pays out in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out. And a Cash Juice plan consists of 5 other programs. Basically, it's like a traffic exchange strategy. One thing I will say is every single day I surf traffic exchanges for an absolute max of 20 minutes a day. And that's it. I don't do anything else. I just surf my ads, get it done, get it out of the way, 20 minutes, I'm done. And there's only a certain limit as well. So all of these programs are traffic exchanges. Cash Juice has a couple of other things. Cash Juice, Traffic Ad Bar, Easy Hits for You, Traffic Splash, and then there's Traffic Wave. No, not Traffic Wave. There's one other traffic exchange, but you don't have to join all of them. You can just join the Cash Juice system and just start there because it's kind of like a social media / traffic exchange / it has a couple of other things in. You'll see as you go through it. But the only thing, if you ever have issues, just create accounts, which should only be 2, Cash Juice and Infinity Traffic Boost, and then reach out to me. And then we'll go through the next steps. But basically, again, what it looks like, I already talked about how the Bitcoin and stuff like that works. It's the same thing. as you are following this plan and promoting the 3 Hour Cash Machine and getting people to come in through your sales funnel, more people are going to join you, and then eventually your Leads Leap Commissions, which is basically the second program in a 3 Hour Cash, it's going to start popping. And like right now, every single day I'm getting Leads Leap Commissions, and it's every single day I can withdraw. And I take that money and I just chop it up a little bit, get my prime advertising going here, got my Seek Global Network traffic going, Broke Person's Traffic Plan, Cash Juice. You don't have to. It's free. Again, all of these programs are free to join in a Broke Person's Traffic Plan. If I can find my thing here, Infinity Traffic Boost free, Cash Juice is free. Infinity Traffic Boost, you will want to buy one of the paid traffic deals, and you can see when you create an account. I also have more content talking about it, but it starts from like $2. I mean, $2. That's nothing at all. But again, the whole purpose is to use commissions, and then as you surf and join the programs in the Broke Person's Traffic Plan, what are you doing? You're basically sending all of that traffic to your 3 Hour Cash capture page. It's just another piece. So like I said, day 1, you get these 3 set up. Day 2, you set up 2 more programs over here in a Broke Person's Traffic Plan. And those 2 extra programs can become income streams 5. And I'm going to just say 6. I'm going to leave 6 in quotation marks because the Cash Juice plan has a couple of other traffic exchanges which theoretically could be income streams in of themselves. But at this point, we're not really focused on those minor details. The only thing we're focused on is getting lots and lots of traffic to our capture page. Because the more people comes in, it just funds this whole thing. If you've been following me on the internet for a while, you know I've been in multiple different programs and joined different things, and it's always from profits. I don't just come out of pocket anymore for anything ever. It's just like I promote something, I promote it, and then if I want to join a program over here, I'll just promote this stuff right here, get the money wheel flowing, get the ball rolling, take some money from there, withdraw it, and then join the bigger and better programs. And that's the same process. And the only thing I do is just keep adding and repeating and just duplicating the same thing. The process doesn't change. I started here, and I'm still here. I'm still doing these same things. However, the only thing I did was just add on this new piece. Once I mastered this step and then this step, mastered day 1 and day 2, then I move on to day 3. And I just keep going. That's the one thing you're going to see throughout these videos. It's just a process, and I just keep adding traffic programs, keep growing. And again, how can you use the Broke Person's Traffic Plan to promote your primary business? Very simple. You can promote your primary links on each of these programs here, or you can do like I do. You promote the 3 Hour Cash Machine, you build your email list, and then on 1 day a week to that email list, you email out your primary business. And you just keep repeating. So that being said, name's Rob Frazier here. You'll start to see the pattern. I will see you in video 3. Links for the Broke Person's Traffic Plan is below. We'll see you in the next one.